What up YouTube, Jade up here, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with the Dart this evening. It's getting kind of late, but I got off work late, but I got a new shift knob for the Dart. Not a huge fan of the stock shift knob. It's kind of cheap. It's flaking really bad and stuff, which I'll show you here in a minute, but I thought I'd do a quick video on this new shifter that I got. Let me show it to you. Alright, y'all, so this is from CravenSpeed. This was about 95 bucks for this, but it's made in the US. It's a really nice shifter. It's not too far from stock. It doesn't look super gaudy or anything, so let's open it up. Alright, y'all, so this is basically what it comes with here. So this is the shifter. This is weighted, and man, does this feel really, really nice. Pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the weight of that. It comes with the little Allen key with all the little screws you'll need. And then obviously here's the top cap. Now, one thing that's really cool is you can actually go on these guys' website and you can order a new top cap and have it custom engraved with whatever you want. I'm actually thinking about maybe having the Dodge logo put on there or something, but pretty cool. Let's see how she installs. Alright guys, so basically this is the stock Dodge shifter. Pardon my mess. I haven't cleaned my car out this week yet. Basically, this is all plastically. Past the plastic, it's cheap. See, it's flaking, peeling. You know, just not a very nice shifter. Whereas this is much more nice, in my opinion. So anyway, to get this off, we don't know. We'll see what happens. Some people say it's pretty easy. Other people have said it's a royal pain in the butt. But basically, you got to get up underneath here and get a way to get under the shifter, basically, the top cap. Okay. Man, this thing's being a pain. Almost. All right. Wow. What a pain in the butt that was. Wow. Well, I guess it's a good thing I'm not reusing this because it's shut. Apparently this was supposed to be easily done. Just a clip it on, click, no big deal. But unfortunately, apparently it kept falling off in R&D, so they wound up gluing it on. That explains why the new top cap for these things only cost like 30 bucks from Dodge, because they knew damn well if they ever had to take the top cap off something, they were going to destroy it in the process. What a pain. All right, 10 millimeter nut. You have to reuse this so don't lose it. Okay. That's on there, or off there, sorry. Put that to the side. And then that just comes out. So, this is what it looks like without it. You know what's sad? This has actually got a little bit of weight to it, so, I mean, I'm pretty sure this is just cheap plastic as well, wrapped around this aluminum here, but still, Dodge could have put a little bit more R&D in that, in my opinion. All right. So here's the new one. We're gonna put it on top there and see what happens. All right, guys, so this is the top of it, obviously, with all the little screw holes for the top cap. And want to make sure when you put it on there, it does spin, so you want to make sure to keep your actual top cap on there straight. You want to make sure you line up those holes correctly. So this is going to sit like this. Okay, no problem. We're just going to reapply the nut here and tighten it. Our handy dandy okay. Once again, want to make sure that we're straight, which it looks like we are, and then holding that, you want to give that one good turn, maybe one more for safe measure. Okay, that is not moving anywhere. It's nice and tight. Okay. Alrighty, then we take the top cap here and just apply it there. Okay, like that. Alright, then we're going to need a little bag of Allen screws to put on there. So, alright guys, and that's basically it. You just, I'm sorry, I wanted to use both hands. I didn't want to lose any of these little Allen screws. But that's it. Guys, I'm telling you, this shifter feels awesome. It really does change the dynamic of how the shifter feels without, like I said, it's just a pinch smaller than the stock one, and I'm really happy with it. I'm actually considering doing a short throw shifter from the same guys that made this. Yeah, I'm really impressed. I really like it. Yeah. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that's basically it. Not a super long video. The biggest problem is getting the shifter on is really easy. It's a really good shifter, a really good feel. I'm kind of excited to drive it to work tomorrow morning. You know, just to see, just driving it, how much more the dynamic is. It's a little late, so I can't really do much tonight. But getting it off, getting that shifter cap off is a bear, man. So as long as you can get past that, putting that shifter on there, good. I like the quality of it so far. Like I said, thinking real serious about possibly doing a custom top cap, because I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, you know, but you guys know me. I'm bringing these videos to you guys more regularly now. I still have a bunch of stuff coming for the Dart, maintenance and upgrades and all that stuff still. So, 2 headlight videos. We'll get into that later. But yeah, for the most part, guys, I'm really happy with it. I recommend that. I'm going to recommend this for the most part, unless for some reason I'm driving to work tomorrow. I'm like, oh, I hate this, which I seriously doubt. I still think I need a shifter bushing on the shift link. I'm going to get to that. It's not like it has to happen right now, but you can definitely tell there's some wear in that bushing, so I'm definitely going to change that out. But anyway, guys, that's all for tonight. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate every new sub that I've been getting. You guys are awesome. All the support, all the comments, all the likes, and everything else is great. Keep it coming. I want to keep this channel growing, so I think that's it. So until next video,